Good morning. We're gonna put our Christmas lights up. By the way, I know why people do it like way before or like at Halloween time.
Because it's like cold.
Yeah, because it's warm out. I think we're the idiots for teasing them about doing it early.
Hi, I'm Gage.
They know who you are. What are you doing?
Putting the lights up.
All right. We're gonna get started. We're gonna put you guys on time lapse because it's gonna take us a little while. Hey everybody, we're gonna put the new pumps on here. I'll show you a little more around here in a second, but right now I just want to quickly get this box mounted so that it is not going to hold me up. Because once I turn the power off on this unit, I want to be able to get everything hooked back up relatively quickly. Even though it's not that cold out right now, it's like 45, 50 degrees out. All that heat from the coals that are in here obviously still create heat, and it still warms up water. So if I leave it where that water's just sitting here, it'll start boiling over. So first things first, what we're gonna do, maybe simply mount this right here. Our power will be able to reach close to it at least. Alright. Now, I'm using self-tapping screws. There's nothing behind here, it's just a bracket. I'm changing it over to where it has a duplex receptacle, and this switch will be in that box. I just prefer it like that for the simple fact it's quick and it's easy. So I've got that mounted, I've got everything I can do without having the power off. So I'm gonna go inside and turn the power off real quick. Alright, so power's off. One switch. I don't care what I feel about it. The other way, it's like should be up. It's not. The other way would be to grab both here. However, I'm confident enough that I don't need to. There's no reason to using the power. So what we do is simply put this up. So let's put this right here. There's no power off. This is on the same breaker as our stop up. And I've got more for that. So there's very simple. You want to know what you'll see? This is the Polaris Ranger. We have it's a Baler. They were wonderful. We have to love them. Alright, so right here. All we do, we'll rest right here. So this is what we did. So basically the reason I have it like that is because there's no way to select, you know, a pump, right? I mean, yeah, I could basically have a switch that turns on the whole thing, and then I could have another switch for pump 1, another switch for pump 2. But this is much more convenient for the simple fact that if I need, let's say that this pump fails and I have to pull that pump off, which has happened before, it's very simple for me to take that pump, put it over here, and then just plug it in. And then obviously if I don't need both pumps running, I just don't plug in the second one. Eventually we will have that one right there hooked up to the barn or the garage. I haven't decided which yet I'm gonna heat, but I'm gonna heat one of them. Mainly because in the winter time it gets cold, and no matter what, we still have stuff that breaks down, still have stuff that needs repaired, or just for simple maintenance too. I don't like to freeze my butt off whenever I'm doing maintenance. But thanks for tagging along. See ya. Well, I don't know. I don't think I have anything else for this video. Probably gonna be the end of it right here. So make sure that you comment and like and subscribe to the channel. So comment on the videos down below. Like, I think the like will be somewhere on this side of your screen, just below the video. And then subscribe. Subscribe is that red button that says subscribe, and then there's also a little bell that you can select, and that bell will warn you every time we upload a new video, so you can be one of the first ones to watch it. And I just realized there's a bunch of water on this screen. Sorry about that. But thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Have a very blessed week. I hope you all had a great and happy Thanksgiving and spent lots of good time with your family. I know I was super excited to see my grandma. So that's what the holidays are all about. Go see your family, love on them. You could tease them too, but make sure you love on them too. All right. Again, have a blessed week. We'll see y'all next week.